Hi friends, it's your girl Vanji. In today's video, I want to talk about some Chinese phone phrases that you must know. Before we start this video, make sure you subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So the first keyword is 喂 with a question mark. 喂. First scenario, when you answer the phone call, the first thing you would say is 喂 or you could say 喂 plus 你好 喂你好 喂你好. So most of the time when people they pick up their phone calls, the first thing they would say 喂 or you can say 喂你好 喂你好. To ask someone's identity, you could ask in this way. 请问你是哪位? 请问你是哪位? 喂你好请问你是哪位? Or you can just say 哪位. Please keep in mind it would be rude to say 你是谁? 你是谁? Literally, who are you? So oftentimes we would just say 请问你是哪位 or 哪位 They both have the same meanings, but 请问哪位 it's more polite to ask someone's identity. So let's see the example. 喂你是书神吗? 喂是的请问你是哪位? Second scenario is when you want to know someone's purpose of calling, you can ask like this. 请问有什么事吗? 请问有什么事吗? Or you can say 怎么了? 怎么了 with a question mark. 怎么了? Let's see the examples. 喂，请问是 Alan 吗? 是的，请问有什么事吗? Or you can say 是的，有什么事吗? Another response is 是的，怎么了? And the third scenario is when people call the wrong number. 你打错电话了. 你打错电话了. Let's see the example. 喂，你是小陈吗? 不是，你打错电话了. And the fourth scenario is when the food delivery man calling you and you want him to leave the food on the desk. You could say like this. 好的，你就放在前台吧. 好的，你就放在前台吧. Or you want him to leave the food at your door. 好的，你就放在门口吧. 好的，你就放在门口吧. Let's see the example. 喂，你好，我是美团外卖，你的外卖到了。喂，好的，你就放在前台吧。喂。好的，你就放在门口吧. And when the food delivery man couldn't find your address and he just kept calling you, that's how you answer. 不好意思，我的中文不好，你能用百度地图导航一下吗？不好意思，我的中文不好，你能用百度地图导航一下吗？百度地图 is an navigation app, so people can just put the address in the app and they can easily find your address. It's a personal thing. It's one of the best navigation app in China. Or you can say like this. 我也不太清楚，你能用百度地图按照地址导航吗? After you saying this, I believe they will understand and find their way to deliver the food to you. 喂，你好，我是美团外卖，你的地址在哪？我按照定位导航到这里，没有找到你这个地址啊。我也不太清楚，你能用百度地图按照地址导航吗? The last scenario is when the food delivery man call you and tell you your food is already at the front desk or it's at your door. They call it and just want to make sure you know where the food is, and that's how you answer. 好的，谢谢。好的，谢谢。Super easy, super simple. 喂，美团外卖，你的外卖已经放在前台了。喂，好的，谢谢。Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope you find this video is helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. So don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will upload news videos every single week. Practice makes perfect. So today's assignment is, what would you say to the food delivery man if he couldn't find your address? Leave your comments or answers down below, or you can send your answer on Instagram and DM me. I will definitely check it out. I will see you in the next one. Bye!